Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have two new sticker books that are releasing from Mojo Jojoplans, Dated Neutral and Series 4 Functional Boxes. So I'm going to flip through these so that way you can check it out. And then I will have my affiliate link down in the description, also with a discount code if you're interested in purchasing. They are available to purchase today at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'll have all the info down in the description. But yeah, I'm going to flip through both of these. Let's go through this one first. It's just boxes. And I've been really loving this series of box sticker books that she's been coming out with, because if you want a certain size box, you can find them like all in here in all the various colors, which is really nice. So these I've been keeping off to the side when it comes to like when I plan, because they're just nice and easy to grab. And they kind of have, you know, they have everything you need, and I love this size box. So this is just like a square box that's going to be in this book. We have some black ones here. You'll have a few pages of black. Then we have red, and then a dark like maroon burgundy color. And then both of the colors together. Orange, lighter orange, then the bright yellow, and this is a softer yellow, green, a brighter green, and then a dark green, royal blue, and then more of a sky blue, purples, light purple, and pink, hot darker pink and light pink. It's like the perfect pink color. And gray, so we have a dark gray here, and then a lighter gray. And brown, and then a lighter brown. Okay, and then this is the last page. So as you can see, it had a nice variety of colors in here, all in that square box, which is really nice. Love the variety in there when it comes to the colors. So that is Series 4 functional boxes. There have been there's been 3 before this, obviously, since this is 4, like progressively getting larger in size. So yeah, that is Series 4. And those have been, I feel like these have been selling out pretty quick. So yeah, it's a good one. All right, and then the next one we have is Dated Neutral. I think the last one was like a rainbow colored one. So this is gonna be all like neutral colors, which I prefer. I prefer like all these neutral color tones. So we have the browns here, and then Monday, days of the week. So we have days of the week spelled out completely, and then abbreviations of the days of the week. I really like this font too. Then you have, again, the days of the week, but split up. So you have Tuesday on the bottom, you have day on the bottom for each day. 2024. Then you have 1 through, oh, in case you didn't see, there's 31 over here. They are not missing, they're just on this side of the page. But you have 1 through 31 in the numbers. So if you have an undated planner, or if you have like an old planner, you can use these to date it. Monthly stickers, or the month stickers, abbreviated months. These are months as well. And then we have some large numbers, which you don't have to use these just for dating purposes. These would be good to like use on like for birthdays, to like mark like 4th birthday or 22nd birthday, that kind of thing. So yeah, those are the birthdays, or the larger numbers. And then I love this size right here. These are great for the monthly, dating the monthly, and also the mini planners. So you have the little tiny numbers here, and then some month stickers there. And these are all paper stickers. Then we have some holidays, like New Year's Eve, Juneteenth, Pride Day, first day of summer, and then birthday stickers on the bottom. Then we get into the cursive font here. Same kind of like setup. Days of the week here. More days of the week. And then the numbers. Months. And then more of the months. Lots of months in different sizes. And then the larger numbers here. 2024. The small little numbers and the months. And then the holidays. Okay, then this is the next font. This is a nice font too. So here are the days of the week. Days of the week again. And then the numbers. The month stickers. More months. And then the large numbers. Like the exclamation points. And then the small ones. And the holidays. Okay, so everything that you need to redate a book or a planner. Yeah, kind of have everything in there. And love that it's all like neutral stickers in this book. Okay, so those are the two books that are releasing today from Mojo Jojoplans. Like I said, I will have all this linked down in the description. If you're interested in purchasing, definitely check out my affiliate link with the discount code so you can get 10% off. But those are the books that are releasing. I'm sure you're going to see these. I pull Jojo's books all the time in my videos. She's a great source of boxes. Getting boxes. So I'm always using her books because they're just super functional. So I love them. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.